Welcome to all in robotics for United India channel. Today I am going to start a new project, linear regression for house price prediction. Now it is my GitHub link. First we open my GitHub link. Okay. Now you can see here link, and link is already given in descriptions. Okay, now first we download this code from click on code button, and we click on download.zip, and after downloading we come on Google Colab link. Okay, now in this Google Colab link, first we upload this code. For uploading we click on 5 button, and then we click on upload notebook, and we upload file from your local system, because I am already uploaded this code. So now let us start. Now first we click here for import pandas as PD library. Now second we click here or df.head for showing the data set. Now it is data set. If you want to gain knowledge about data set, then we have copy this link and paste on online net and click here. You can saw detail about data set. Now we split data set. Now we click here. The size of data is 7120 row and 107 columns present in this data. Now again we print save.y y.save 7120 to click here. Now next we split the data in two parts, test data and trend data. Test data is 0.2% mean 20%, and remaining data for training data, and random state we choose here 51. Now we click here. Now next we print the shape of x dot trend, and this is a training size. Now it is a y dot trend size, means it is only output size. Now next we print x dot test size, because data in two part, test and trend. This is shape of test data. Now we click here shape dot y. Next we want to feature scaling, so we click here for feature scaling. Now next linear regression model. Now we train model. Now you use IL variable linear regression, and we click here. Now we feed the model. We click here. Now we want to coefficient of all my data set. Now click here. Now we want to predict some value. For prediction, predict the value of home and test. I want to predict. Now we click here. Now it is predicted value. If you want, I want to prediction. This is a prediction array 76. Now I want to, for it is a 0, only one value, means first value. Now I want to predict x underscore test. For we click here. Now all dotted means which multiple value are present in also here 0 1 2 3 4 5 and n. For this is a predicted value and this is a real value. Now my predicted value is 73.9 and 9, so my real value is 80. So y dot test means it is predicted value. Similarly last 230.01, it is a predicted value and it is a real value. Now total length of data is 1424. So now we want to score of this data. Now accuracy of this data, how many accurate of my model for use here in this code. Now we click, or the accuracy of this data is 79%. So thank you all of you.